The meaning of this word is to punish severely or to criticize harshly. This word is pronounced as fustigate. Fustigate. Example: cruel and hateful, the evil stepmother continues to fustigate her stepdaughter with nasty comments. Next word. This is pronounced as pizza. Pizza. Example: he cut the pizza into bite-sized pieces. This word means very ugly or unpleasant, and this is pronounced as hideous. Hideous. Example: a hideous monster attacked the helpless villagers. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.